I'm protected 360 degrees. Yeah, these will move as well. I love the nighttime video. This is a 4-way dash cam with voice control and a sentry mode, which means this will protect your vehicle when you're not even around. Hey everybody, Monkey Wrench Mike. Today we are reviewing the Botslab G980H multi-channel dash camera. We're going to install this in my car. We're going to take it for a spin, and I'm going to show you the quality of the video and its 360 degrees of protection. First though, let's do a little unboxing because everybody loves these unboxing videos. And I gotta tell you, just the box itself, the way they have this thing protected is amazing. This is it's like an iPhone case. It is so well put together and it does not want to release. That is one very nice box. Okay, so the first thing we have up top, we have our owner's manual. We have the little pads to attach this to your windshield. We have all kinds of little the clingy strips right here. Everything you need to attach it is here. We have the unit itself. And look at this, for the first time, you get the little SD card, the little micro SD card, 128 gigs, which means you can download this. You can take this with you after an accident or something, and you can keep it protected just in case somebody wants access to your video. Here is the camera itself. It is hefty, I'll tell you that. It is protected on the front and the back. And I like the look of this thing. I really, really do. It's a good looking camera. Okay, what else do we have in here? We have a box right here, which should have, oh, there's more. There is so much more to this. Here we go. What is this? This is gonna be your cord. Nope, this is the rear camera. So like I was saying, this has 360 degrees of protection. There's another camera for you. So there's two cameras. Love that. There's a whole nother box. There's two more boxes. All right. In the large box right here, we have, I like how this is all color coordinated too. It's this really nice flat black. This is going to be, okay, this is your, another camera. This is another camera right here with a very long cord. So this is the camera that goes on the back of the vehicle. And I'm guessing this is the charge point right here. Let's just kind of see. Just the packaging alone is pretty amazing. Yep, you have your installation tool right here that you get with the camera itself. And then you have your nice cord with your charge point right here. And because you're using a dash cam, you still get a port right here to charge your phone or do whatever you want to do. This is really, really cool. So we're going to attach this to the vehicle, and then I'm going to show you what it looks like in the car and what the video looks like from the car. Let me show you how these side cameras attach. So this is wrong. We don't want to attach it like this, but if I switch it around, it's held on with magnets, and then hear the click. There you go. Same for the other side. Okay, we don't want to put it on wrong. See how it actually pulls it in. And then we're going to get the click right there. How cool is that? And look at this thing. That's amazing. Now we have the little micro SD card right here that will attach. These are tiny, 128 gigabytes. No, you don't have to buy one. This one comes with it. Put it in right here and give it a press. There you go. We're good to go. Something else on this camera I want to point out. Look at how these all can move. This lens right here, this moves around just like this, so you can aim it wherever you want to. And then on the sides, these will move as well, both of them. So this is where your 360 degrees comes into play, right here. This is really, really fancy. So we'll attach this, okay, so this piece just comes off right here. There's your sticky, and I'm gonna put it right here. There we go. Give it a quick little hold. This will aim out, this will come down. Look at that. And then I can aim the front and I can aim the sides. I guess I should take off the sticky part. There's one. Here's 2 and 3. Let's talk about the cameras very, very quickly. The front-facing camera is 3K. This is 1080p. That one is 1080p, and look how you can adjust them. Let me take this little piece of plastic off just to protect it. I think it's a good-looking camera. It really, really is. And then on the back, all the way in the back, you got it right there. Once again, 1080p for the rear camera. This is voice-controlled, 3.18-inch touchscreen, built-in GPS, and there is an app. So let me power this thing on, and I'll show you. We'll connect to the app, and then we're going to take it for a spin. We have connected through the app, and I want to show you right here. Look at the cameras. Okay, this is how you can set up your rear camera. You can take the phone with you, and then you can kind of aim it up and down. And you see, this is me. That's me right there. Okay, this is the passenger side. You can see on both sides of the car. There's your front. If you want to adjust that up or down, you can certainly do that. And the rear one is right there. Okay, now, next thing we're going to do is take it for a spin and see just how nice the video actually is. Okay, now let's just take this thing out for a test drive. And I got to tell you, I have it positioned where it really doesn't obstruct anything. I can look down a little bit and I can see everything that's on the screen right there. But in my whole line of sight, it doesn't obstruct anything. Now, the reason you get these, you know why. You want protection in court. Should there be an accident, you want proof that you were not at fault. And so you want this 360 degrees of protection. When you go to court, you're going to have an attorney, hopefully, and there's the proof. You cannot dispute video proof. This has that micro SD card, so you can take that, you can plug it into your computer, and you can send that to your attorney, to your insurance company, wherever you want to go. This also has where you can put it on your phone. You can transfer this to your phone, and then you can email this to whoever needs to see the video proof. Now I want to show you just how clear this video is. This I have downloaded from the camera itself onto my phone. And look, you can see the street names. You can see the license plates of the cars. You can see the speed limit sign right there. This video is so clear. And here this is out the back of the car. Now this is going through window tint, and you can still see everything that is so clear. At the bottom of the screen, you've got the date, the time, the speed that you're traveling, and then your location. I love the nighttime video of this. Look at how clear and how sharp this is. As I go through the intersection, you can see the license plates, you can see the streets, you can see the lights, everything that you need, you are able to see. It is so clear. And now on the back side, once again, this is almost 10 o'clock at night, going through dark window tint, and you can still see everything that you want to see. You can see the cars, what kind of cars they are. You can still read the signs, the street markings, everything you need. You are 100% protected with the video from this dash cam. Take a look at the video from one of the two side cameras right here. This would be great to use if someone were to try to smash your window to get something from inside the car. It's clear proof of exactly what happened. You can see their faces and everything else you need. Also, this would be great to use should someone, T-bone you as you went through a traffic intersection or someone hit the side of your car. It's clear, it's precise, and this is exactly what you need to show law enforcement to protect yourself and your car. Something else I do want to point out, if you are into ride sharing, if you drive for one of the ride sharing companies, Uber, this would be a great purchase for you because you can aim those cameras, and should something happen, you've got proof of what's happening in the back seat right there. Plus, if you're involved in an accident, once again, you are completely covered. Got a lot of traffic going this way. Let's see if we can find some cars very quickly, and I'll show you just how nice this is. But just looking through the camera right there, through the lens, unbelievable. Yeah, and if I want to take a picture, all I do is say, take photo. If I want it to stop recording, that's all I got to say. It's got voice control. So there you go. This is the Botslab G980H 4-channel dash cam right there. 360 degrees of protection. It's going to save you a ton of money. It's going to give you peace of mind. It's going to protect you, your family, your car, and even your wallet should something go wrong while you are behind the wheel. I'm going to have more information in the description box below, so please go check it out. A big thank you to everybody from Botslab for sending me this, and a big thank you to you for watching the review video. Once again, check the description box below to get more information. All right, have a great day, everybody. We'll see you again very, very soon. Bye-bye.